pretty spicy. I don't want half of it in mine. These scissors are so tiny, but I tell you what, they actually work pretty good.
Chop, chop.
Lunch is served. Get some work done, and then this afternoon, I'm going to go to the coffee shop that our tour guide with Halong Bay had recommended. He said it was the best Vietnamese coffee in Hanoi, so we're definitely gonna go check it out. So I feel like today it's not really all that exciting, you know, we're just getting work done. Why don't you try to make yourself look a little shorter?
I'm already getting hunchback, trying to hunch down for the camera.
I mean, this is me and my tippy toes. All right, this is what we actually have to look like. So I'm on my tippy toes, and Peter's scrouching down.
Very awkwardly.
So that way we can actually be at the same height. Kind of one of those days I'm like, why do I even, like, not really doing anything that exciting, right? But then what we are about to do, you know, in my mind it doesn't seem that exciting, but when I actually think about it, it really is. We are gonna go and have a coffee date. This is something that we do a lot of times. When we're back at home, we'll do like a Saturday coffee date. And now we get to go out and have a coffee date in Vietnam. Are you gonna wear the hat? Please wear the hat outside. We're gonna go and have our Saturday coffee date. It just happens to be in Vietnam. And when I think about that, that is pretty cool. So, time for our coffee date. Oh, we're leaving the hat behind.
Just can't do it. It's too wobbly.
It is. All right, so up for a coffee adventure. So we're heading back down towards the lake, which is about a 15-minute walk from here, just to get coffee. It was kind of unclear. We thought that our guide from Halong actually put an exact shop, but he didn't. He just let us know a certain street that's like really famous for it, and apparently like any of those are good. But we really want to know like which one of those should we go to? I said, Peter, let's just walk, and if we see locals enjoying it, we'll stop there. And right across the street here, there's some locals enjoying coffee here, so I think we're gonna do this. Let's do that. That's so funny. Coffee? Coffee with coconut milk, nice. It's so busy that she's like, I'm sorry, you have to do a takeaway, which is fine. So I think what we're gonna do now is take the takeaway, keep walking down to the lake, and then get coffee with egg. So I thought they were just saying like it's a coffee and egg place, kind of like, you know, like a Denny's type of thing, like, hey, yeah, enjoy your breakfast and enjoy your coffee. But that's not what it is. I think it actually is egg in your coffee. And that is what we have been told as tourists that we should try. I don't know if it's a tourist trap or if it's actually like a way that they drink their coffee here. We're gonna find out. Oh wow, it's actually hot in this. Probably too hot. Yeah?
Very sweet, very coconutty.
Very? Oh yeah. This coconut coffee is so good, so coconutty, so sweet. I love coconut coffee from Dunkin' Donuts, but this is like 20 times better, and it's $1.50. That's a win. On to coffee and egg place. It is so good. I don't know what we got, but it's some kind of pastry. It just looks so good.
It's one of those fried bananas treats again.
Oh, nice. Is that what it is?
Yep.
Another banana pastry.
So good.
Just have to watch your toes when you're walking. So many cars and bikes, and I'm in flip-flops, so I just like constantly like having to watch my toes to make sure they stay intact. Right here, want to check this one? On coffee?
Yeah, I can.
Saw a really busy place. It looks like it had some locals here. So yeah, they literally make it with egg. And when I saw it mixing it, I'm like, oh, kind of like eggnog, I guess. Oh wow, this is really nice up here. All right, so here is where we came. They even have mango coffee. They said that's really good ice. And we got that. This is pretty fun up here. It's crazy. I didn't know they had a second floor. Oh, it's like served in water?
You gotta keep it warm or cold?
Is it cold?
Hot.
Hot. That's interesting. How do you...
There.
I don't like raw egg things. I'm not really a fan of eggnog. Like, Peter, you might actually like
I'll
it.
probably like it, yeah.
I don't know, but I don't know. We'll see. I haven't tried it yet. That is really thick.
Guess you're not drinking that. Really sweet. You like it, huh?
than you thought.
They kind of taste like birthday cake ice cream.
No coffee in there.
I'm not tasting any coffee yet. So frothy.
It's kind of like a melted marshmallow.
Like birthday cake flavoring. Like if you could make birthday cake a marshmallow and melt it.
Birthday cake. Melted birthday cake marshmallow. There you go.
Yeah, I think that's a pretty good description.
It's good.
Yeah. It's like a dessert, right?
Yeah, it's really good.
You love it, don't you? I knew you would.
It's a nice treat.
Yeah. So I did not think I would like that, but that's actually pretty good.
So what do you say it was? He was beating the egg
He
yolk?
was beating the egg yolk, just the yellow part. Just like beating it and beating it. And then, I don't know, I guess they put it with a little bit of coffee, but I haven't really tasted the coffee yet. I think the coffee's in the bottom.
Want to make it back home?
Yeah. They would be like, ew, Lisa, I'm not having any egg coffee. Okay, there's a coffee at the bottom. You saw that?
No, I've been dipping down to it. So
Okay.
now it's probably good to like start drinking actually.
Yeah. Ooh, that coffee's bitter.
It's gotta be bitter to balance out all the sweetness.
I liked the sweet. I liked the egg. I don't like the coffee.
Too strong, huh?
Whoa. It's stronger than our hotel's coffee, babe.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That's strong. Yeah, the coffee itself is pretty good.
Yeah.
Nothing special at all.
No. Oh, look at that color now. I think we ate too much of the egg on top because we were enjoying it so much. So now the coffee at the bottom is super strong. Hopefully there was enough egg sweetness left. All right, Peter, you get the rest. All right, Peter, where are we going to now?
Time to go try coffee number 3. So this is supposed to be the #1 coffee place in Hanoi based on TripAdvisor, and it has over 1,200 reviews on Google as well, an average of 4.4 stars. It should be good. Let's see.
Oh, since 1946.
It's probably the original.
Oh my goodness, that's so cool. Well, this is pretty cool. I would not have known to look here. This does look authentic. This one is so far off of the street, down on some alley, but like, yet it's the most popular.
#1.
You know it's good then.
Hello.
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 Yeah.
Just
How many?
one egg with cinnamon coffee.
Okay, just one.
Yeah.
40. 40 một cốc thôi. Một thôi là đúng không? Một cốc thôi. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, and we're gonna go upstairs. This is really, oh my goodness, it's crowded up here. Hello. Oh my goodness, look at that tiny little chair. All right, we got it with cinnamon. That looks good.
Look at all that cinnamon. Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness, that looks so good. Seriously looks like ice cream.
It's really good, the cinnamon.
I knew you'd love that. As soon as I saw it, I was like, oh, that's the one we want. Oh, wow. That's amazing with the cinnamon. Wow. Egg with coffee, who knew? It sounded gross and I almost was like, all right, let's just skip it. Like, it can't be that good. Like, sounds disgusting, but no, it's a big deal for a reason. It's not just tourists that are drinking it like I thought.
No. Yeah.
1940s, this place has been here, and I mean, it is so popular. It is off the beaten path. It's down an alley, but yet it's popping. So people know about it, and I mean, they're popular for a reason. This is really, really good. The other place just had like coffee with egg. They didn't have it mixed with other things. Like here, you can get it with cinnamon, chocolate, green beans. That might be interesting. Even rum and beer. I don't know about those last 3, but with cinnamon, it's great. All right, now that we've enjoyed the egg part of it, I guess we'll mix in the coffee. So that is the hard thing. It's kind of hard to like drink it together. That's good. This coffee's better here. This coffee's a lot better here. This place was awesome. Peter has to duck a little bit in the alleyway. All right, so if you come to Hanoi and you want to have the best egg coffee, make sure to find this alley and go down it. So for $5.25, we got to try 3 specialty coffees and a pastry. Oh my goodness, that was delicious. Better than a Starbucks coffee for sure. And then we got them, they're so good. Alright, so this is like the only grocery store that's close to the old quarter within walking distance. That's why we went back here. Got some snacks and some more water. So we'll be all set for Ste F. Thanks for the coffee date. That was nice.
Welcome, babe.
We didn't set out to get 3 different kinds of coffee. We really just set out to try one.
So there you go, 3 coffees later.
3 coffees later. And Peter made a good point. I was saying that like basically it was 3 coffees and a pastry for the price of like 1 Starbucks coffee. But they were smaller coffees. So 3 coffees would have been the size of 1 Venti Starbucks.
But you got to try 3 different ones.
3 different ones. And they were really, really unique and like...
They were excellent.
Oh my goodness. I want to figure out how to make egg coffee when I get home. Because, yeah, it's really good. Look up a recipe. I'll try to find one and link it in the description. So that way you at home can try to make egg coffee. All right. Time to get back to work. Okay, so it is currently 9:30 at night. We've got to get to bed because we need to leave here tomorrow by 6:40 in the morning. We are going to Sapa tomorrow, and it's about a 5.5-hour bus ride. Right now, I have kind of spread out in this closet thing, so I have to pack everything up. Everything is out of my backpack right now. Hope you enjoyed the coffee tour today. Make sure to subscribe if you are not already, and we'll see you in the next video. Good night. Today's pretty much our last day in the city.
Dripping?
My
your
hair
hair.
is dripping.
Ew.
It's just my hair, it's just water.
Why is it all wet? You didn't take a shower?
I did take a shower. Yeah, it's really good if you stand back there, then you're
We'll use distance.
then you're better height. I just had one of the funniest like travel moments just happen in the grocery store. So this little Asian kid comes up to us and speaks really good English, so I think he was probably American or something like that. Do you know if they have Sour Patch Kids here? And I was like, what? And then I was like, oh no, they don't have Sour Patch Kids here. There's the candy aisle, they do have other gummies. And he goes, dang it. He was probably, I don't know, 8 years old. And it was just so funny because he was so frustrated. He just wanted his Sour Patch Kids. And I can totally relate. When you are in a different country and you want a certain treat that you can only find in America and you can't find it, you get frustrated. That's how I feel with Chick-fil-A sometimes.